big part of building an organized mechanical room and leaving the client with a system that they themselves know how to operate is being organized and labeling things. Here we have tags, and more tags to know what each valve does. And we've also created a system piping diagram so that any future technician can refer to it.
So to sum it all up, is it that I like things to look pretty? Or is it that I like control? The world may never know. It's a little bit of both. Design should be revolved around serviceability. And I like to be kind to my service technicians, therefore making everything accessible, everything easy to read and easy to follow. And for this reason, I like to incorporate a design that is not just aesthetically pleasing, but that is also functional. So by having all that control, you can get back to the things that really matter in life, like family and relaxing. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Cheers.